Hi, my name is Callan. I'm from Boulder, Colorado. That is in the United States. And this is the assignment for week one for the Introduction to Music Production course through Coursera.org. And I will be teaching or covering typical recording signal flow using my own home studio equipment. Now, since I don't play an instrument and I mainly do voiceovers and record vocals, my voice is the source. So the first place that my voice goes is into this large diaphragm condenser microphone, which is called an input transducer. Basically what this microphone does is it converts my voice or the sound pressure variations in the air into voltage variations. Those voltage variations travel down through the bottom of the microphone through this standard male XLR connection into this XLR cable. I like the way that it was explained in the video. It's called a mic. It's a male, so you got to make sure that you connect the female end of the XLR cable to the bottom of the microphone. So that audio signal travels out of the bottom of the microphone through this XLR cable into the back of my interface. The first place it goes in the interface is the preamp. The preamp is designed to boost the audio signal up to line level or standard operating level. There are many functions of the interface, but this is the first stop that it makes. After it exits the preamp, it goes into a analog to digital converter, which basically converts the analog signal into binary code, which is represented by ones and zeros. That signal will travel out through the back of my interface through, in my case, a Thunderbolt connection. Most interfaces will have either a USB or a FireWire connection, but the Apollo Twin uses a Thunderbolt, so it will travel out of the interface through my Thunderbolt connection into my computer and into my digital audio workstation, or DAW, which is Pro Tools in my case. I'm just starting to learn how to use Pro Tools. It was recommended to me by a friend. There are many other digital audio workstations that have similar functionality, but this one works well for me, and I like it so far. So basically, the DAW allows you to manipulate, edit, and mix all of your sounds. As you can see, it's pretty complicated. You can pretty much do anything with the audio signal once it enters into the DAW. And in order to monitor the recordings, it has to exit out of the DAW, out of your computer through my Thunderbolt connection, back into my interface, and into a digital to analog converter, which pretty much converts that binary signal or that binary code back into an analog signal. It sends those voltage variations out through these quarter-inch connectors, these tip ring sleeve quarter-inch connectors, into my sub, which then splits off into my studio monitors. These are output transducers. Now, some people don't have studio monitors and they just use headphones, or maybe you use both. But in my case, my headphone connector is on the front of my interface. So this is a typical TRS quarter-inch headphone connection plugged into the front of my interface. That signal will travel out of the interface through the cord into my monitoring headphones. Now, that is the typical recording signal flow using my own home studio equipment. I hope this information was informative, and I hope to see you next week. Good luck.